Paul Yaffe here, Paul Yaffe Originals and Paul Yaffe's Bagger Nation, and today we are finally starting our Road Glide 3 project. This is a new 2023 Road Glide 3. It's the latest three-wheel platform from Harley-Davidson. They added a Road Glide fairing this year to the freewheeler platform, which we think is a fantastic idea. You get wind protection, you get audio, the bike looks great, it's got the freewheeler rear end on it. So what we're going to do is we are going to take a full plethora of Bagger Nation products, our whole new Pro Street rear end, our Razorback stretch tank, we're going to use our fairing drop block kit, one of our custom front fenders, our monkey bars, and a bunch of other stuff that we make for these bikes. We're going to decide if we want to trick these wheels out or put some custom wheels on. And we'd really like you guys to follow along and participate with us. We'd love to know your ideas, what you guys think of the Road Glide 3, and what you would like to see happen to this bike as we customize this thing for our 2025 season. Follow along. Jaden's going to get into tearing this thing apart. Stay tuned. Road Glide 3 project, getting started.
First thing I think we should do to our Road Glide 3 is drop this fairing down. I think this is a terrible look. There's no transition between the fairing and the gas tank. And then for shorter riders, it also helps to kind of view the road a little more if we get this fairing lowered. So we've created a product that eliminates this bar, corrects the steering stabilizer angles, and then basically aligns your fairing with your fuel tank. So I think that's the first thing riders should do when they buy these aesthetically, and it works. So let's start our install. Alright, this is our fairing drop block kit for the Road Glide 3. It includes a stealth fairing support bar. It's a part that we've made since 2015 for Road Glide fairing bikes. It also comes with a fairing drop block. And then we have the new steering stabilizer bracketry to correct the geometry. Comes with all the hardware needed. It's fairly easy to install, so that's why I'm going to start with this. This is raising the fairing about an inch. Ours lowers the fairing almost 2 inches. So you're going a full 2 inches. But we can't just simply install it. We have to remove this tab because this is what the fairing now hooks onto. this was down.
So what we need to do
I'm going to leave this loose also so we can get our adjustment right. I'm going to leave this loose for now so we can adjust it. The bracket, and the stabilizer. Just going to hang out there. We have clearance in both directions. Before we torque everything.